My goofy uncle is holding me captive.
What?
And forcing me to watch Crispy Concord's videos.
No!
My buddy, Quintalius Barnacle Jones Jr. got smacked in the head with a rhinoceros horn because he was listening to No Maidens.
Stop!
My grandpa punched me in the head at 90 miles per hour. And I was paralyzed from the waist up. Hey, Quandale Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I am staying at my friend Juandale Pringle's house. As I was running away from cops, I fell and scraped some of my foreskin off. A guy named Garfield Jensen bent me over in the shower while I was in prison.
What are you doing?
My baby mama Shaniqua Anderson told me to pay child support, so I gave my baby to creepy old guys.
Oh yeah.